Hello Aries, are you ready for a year of huge breakthroughs or perhaps some challenges along the way? 2025 is packed with dynamic energy for all you bold Mesha Rashi people. This is a year where you will either rise to new heights but also face obstacles that push you to grow. Today, we are diving deep into what the stars have in store for you in your love life, career, finance, family, and health. Plus, I'll share some powerful manifestation techniques that can help you make the most of this year. So, stay with us till the end because this journey is about to get intense. Alright, Aries, here is a quick overview. 2025 is a year of transformation, whether it's your career, relationship, or personal growth. This year is urging you to level up. However, remember, with growth comes challenges. Planetary influences from Mars and Jupiter will give you the courage to pursue big dreams, but Saturn presence may slow you down just enough to make you reconsider impulsive actions. So, think of this year as a test of resilience and ambition. It's all about learning to channel your fiery energy wisely. Now, let's talk about your love life, Aries. If you are single, the first half of 2025 will bring exciting romantic opportunities. You may find yourself deeply attracted to someone who shares your passion and drive, potentially leading to a meaningful connection. Keep your heart open, but remember to avoid being too impulsive. For Aries, already in a relationship, this is the year to deepen your bond. There may be moments when your fiery tempers flares up, so communication will be key. Take a step back when emotions run high and approach conversations with patience. Manifestation tip for love. To attract more harmony and love, chant the mantra Om Shrim Hrim every Friday. This can help enhance Venus influence, bringing positivity to your relationship and attracting love into your life. Next up is career and business, an area where Aries you are bound to shine in 2025. This year is ideal for professional growth and new beginnings. If you have been eyeing a promotion or considering a job change, the stars favor big moves. Especially around the middle of the year, for entrepreneurs, this is a great time to take calculated risk. With Mars driving your ambition and Jupiter amplifying your fortune, you will have the courage and insight to succeed. However, be mindful of impulsive decisions. Saturn's influence means that even though success is within reach, slow and steady wins the race. Trust your instincts, but double check your plans before diving in. Manifestation techniques for career. Write your career goals down every Sunday and place them under a red cloth on your work desk. Visualize these goals daily for 5 minutes, focusing on the feelings of achieving them. This simple practice can harness Mars power, fueling your success. Let's talk finances, Aries. 2025 brings opportunities for financial growth, but only if you stay disciplined. With increased earnings likely from career advancements or new income sources, this is a great time to strengthen your financial foundations. Avoid high-risk investments this year, as Saturn influence suggests that stability and security should be your focus. Consider setting aside money for future needs and resist impulsive spending sprees. Around mid-year, you might face an unexpected expenses, so it's wise to start a rainy day fund early in the year. Moving on to family life, Aries, 2025 is a year of deepening connections and resolving past issues within the family. This year, you will be more inclined to spend quality time with family members, and this closeness will bring warmth and support. However, your fiery nature could lead to some conflicts. When emotions run high, remember that calmness and understanding go a long way in strengthening bonds. For those with children and younger family members, this is a great time to pass down knowledge and inspire them with your energy. Make family gatherings a priority. It will recharge your spirit and remind you of the strength you draw from your loved ones. Manifestation techniques for family harmony. Light an incense of sandalwood in your home every morning. This will promote peace, harmony, and unity in your household. Aries, let's check in on your health for 2025. You will experience high energy levels this year, which is great for physical fitness goals. If you have been wanting to try a new sport or fitness routine, now it's a time to dive in. However, remember that balance is essential. Overexertion could lead to injuries, so listen to your body and give it the rest it needs. Mental health is also equally important, especially since this year's intense energy could lead to stress. Regular meditation, regular mindfulness practices like yoga can help you stay calm and focused. Pay extra attention on your diet and avoid spicy or overly rich foods that may disturb your digestive systems. Now, Aries, let's be real. 2025 will have its share of challenges, but remember, each obstacle is an opportunity for growth. The biggest challenge this year will be learning patience. Your natural impulse is to move fast, but certain aspects of your life, particularly in career and relationships, will require you to take a more measured approach. Saturn's influence may delay some of your plans, which could lead to frustration if you're not prepared. But don't let these delays discourage you. Use these moments as opportunities to strategize and reflect. Think of it as the universe teaching you that not everything needs to happen immediately. This year's challenges will shape you into a wiser and more resilient version of yourself. Before we wrap up, here is a powerful mantra for you, Aries. To make the most of 2025, the mantra is Om Mangalaya Namaha. This mantra is for your ruling planet Mars and can boost your courage, confidence, and strength. Recite it 11 times every Tuesday to align yourself with Mars energy and empower yourself for this year ahead. Remember, Aries, the power lies within you. This mantra will simply help you bring it to the surface. Embrace 2025 with your full spirit and let this be a year where you conquer all challenges and rise even higher.